Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to convert Word document to PDF. I do it in two ways. We can convert Word file to PDF file with computer or laptop, and also we can convert Word file to PDF with phone. We do both of them. First, I want to do it with computer. Open your Microsoft Word. Before converting Word to PDF, guys, I ask you, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more useful content. For converting Word to PDF, we need some text. I want to write some text, right? I need, for example, 10 paragraph or more. 10 is enough. Now I have 10 paragraph here. I want to convert this paragraph to PDF, or I want to convert this Word file to PDF file. It has so easy step. Come here, click in file. Here we have save as. Click here, choose your location. Where do you want to store your PDF file? You can choose anywhere you want. I want to choose in desktop. Then enter name for your file. Any name you want, you can write. I want to write it new. Look here. Here we have save as type. Now our type document is docs. We should change docs to PDF. Click here. Here we have PDF. Choose PDF. Look. Now in save as type change to PDF. Then click save. I want to minimize this file. Look, here we have new. If I open this file, we can see we convert this Word file to this PDF file. Now I want to convert Word file to PDF with phone. We need to go Play Store or App Store. Search here Microsoft Office 365. Here we have Microsoft Office. Okay, open this app and install this app. When you install, then open this app. Now I want to create one Word file. Click here, create. Here we have Word. Select here. We can create one blank document. Click here. I want to write something here. I want to write rant. Here I can choose my paragraph. Any paragraph you want. I want to 10 paragraph. Then click OK. Now we have one Word document here. I want to convert this Word document to PDF with phone. In the right corner we have three dots. Click here. We can convert Word file to PDF file directly with phone, but we can share to PDF. Click and share. Here we have share as attachment. Click here. Here we have PDF. Select PDF. It takes a few seconds. Now we can share this file with any app we want. We can share with Zapier, we can share with WhatsApp or Bluetooth. Any app you want, you can share with that. Guys, I hope to enjoy from this video. In the end, don't forget to like this video. See you soon.